For those of you that watched my previous video on my 3408 cat, if you remember, I had a stud missing from the compressor. That one. Well, I found the hole full of silicon. Some hillbilly decided that that stud didn't need to be in there, and that a whole bunch of silicon in there would do because there's no thread. And I guess where this truck came from, which was darkest Indiana, they probably hadn't got helicoils there yet, so I'm going to helicoil it, and we do things properly here. Be back in a mo. It's already on the gear. Be careful not to go in too far. It's a timing gear. I can put the thread all the way in, but I can't put the insert all the way in case it hits the gear. The hole is pretty slack. It's probably had a stud waggling around in there forever before it got stuffed up with silicon. Didn't even need drilling. Hopefully it'll get enough bite with this. Looks like we're through. Try not to drop too many aluminium shavings down into the timing case, if any. There we have it. Alright. Set the depth. Okay, here goes the insert. Well, there she is, boys and girls. 1/2 inch UNC thread where there was none before. Usually a little tight. That's funny. There she goes. There she is, good as new. Okay, get stud the right length and we'll put it together. Well, we're back on the 3408 compressor job. Ready to put it back on. I've helicoiled that on there, made a new stud, 1/2 inch UNC, both ends. I cleaned the back of the engine up under the compressor where I couldn't before and painted it. Cleaned the compressor up and painted that too, so a little bit more respectable. Try and lodge this thing somewhere if I can, while we try and get the compressor in the hole. Bit of a struggle. Oh, you son. That doesn't want to go. Might have to wait till my son comes round. Helps me with it. Never mind. See you later. Well, my son came along in the nick of time. Gave me some help. Get the compressor in. Sitting all nice and snug on all 3 studs. Tightened up nice. Painted it, made it look a bit better. Difficult to lift things like that in when you're the wrong side of 60. Anyway, it's in. Just finished fitting it up, and I'll give it a test run. See you later. Well, this is finished product, full of coolant. Hopefully no oil leaks. Slight problem, we've got a rotted coolant hose, the one looping around the compressor there, so I've got to renew that. Please draining the coolant down again, never mind. Anyway, there it is. Bye.